Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Iffy, aka Vox. So y'all already know I'll be coming to y'all with bangers. So make sure you comment underneath the video, like this video, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and also turn on your post notifications so that you could be alerted every time I post a video. This is my first time recording with this mic, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't really know how the quality of the sound is, but I just wanted to give it a try, and hopefully it actually works, because I don't want to have to do a voiceover for like this part of the video, because I'm clearly talking and I don't want to have to think about what I said when I watch the video over. So yeah, hopefully it works. I was kind of getting bored with just black, so I was like, yeah, let me just add some color to it. So this was so impromptu, like I just threw some highlights in here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did that in the next clip. So this is the wig that I made. In my previous video, I was sent 3 bundles of 24 inches and a 20-inch closure from Ishowbeauty hair. And yeah, I'm just gonna throw some highlights in it because I just wanted to spruce it up a little bit. And I'll be using BW2 bleach. I bought this big container because it's quarantine, and y'all already know the beauty supply stores are closed, so I had to make sure I stocked up on this bleach, period. And I will be mixing that bleach powder with this cream developer, and of course it's super big because I had to stock up. You already know. But yeah, I went with 40 volume developer, and I mixed 2 parts of the bleaching powder with 4 parts of the cream developer just to get a watery consistency, as you can see here. So right here, I'm just separating the bang into 2 sections because I don't want the highlights in the front of my face to be super bold, and I don't want it to look choppy. So I'm definitely going to separate this into 2 so that the highlights mix into the bang and that it gives me a mixy type of look. I don't want it to look super bold in the front. Yeah, so I just I don't know how to call it, but it's like, I said this in my previous highlighter video, it's like peanut butter and jelly. So the hair that you're bleaching is the peanut butter, and the hair that you're not bleaching is the jelly. So you want to bob and weave the hair so that you're only dyeing the peanut butter part, which is what I'm doing here. I'm dyeing the peanut butter part. I'm real hungry and greedy, so that's why I'm connecting it to food. But I feel like food is a universal language, so we all can relate. So when I say peanut butter and jelly, I know y'all know what I mean. The peanut butter is the highlighter part, and the jelly is the black hair that you're not using. So I'm about to do this over again so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I'm bobbing and weaving the hair, and the hair that I pulled out is the peanut butter, and the hair that I left back is the jelly. And now I'm putting the peanut butter hair on top of the foil, and I'm adding the bleach to it. You know, I'm brushing the bleach onto the peanut butter part of the hair, you feel me? And I'm gonna keep brushing till I feel like it's evenly distributed to the hair, because I don't want any patchy parts. I want it to be blonde throughout the hair shaft, if you get what I mean. I don't want black pieces on the blonde. I don't want that. I want it to be all even, you feel me? And I'm making sure I'm going into the hair, getting every single part. And to better distribute the mixture, you know, you're supposed to like comb it through, but I guess I didn't comb it through in this section, but I definitely combed it through in the other section. So yeah, but once you're done, you want to, you know, fold up the aluminum foil so that it traps the heat and that it processes better and evenly. So here we go, about to do it again. I'm putting the bleach on the hair, you know, brushing it through. Like I said before, you want to make sure that the hair is coated in the bleach powder mixture substance. You don't want to be stingy, because then your hair going to be looking stingy on your head and it's going to be looking crazy. So you want to make sure you drench your peanut butter sections with that bleach, okay? And bro, you want to make sure you comb it through, because if you don't comb through the highlighter section, then it's not going to get to every single piece of hair. And once you comb through, you want to go back and put some more bleach concoction on the hair, and that's really what I did. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm not gonna show you guys the entire wig. Well, I'm not gonna show you guys the entire process of me doing this. I'm just gonna show you guys snippets that I thought were clear and would help you do this on your own at home. So yeah. So once I folded up the hair, I made sure that I parted a piece of jelly underneath the highlighted section. So I parted out some hair, as you can see. Then I put it to the side, and then I went ahead and I bobbed and weaved the hair. I think this part is very important because if you put the highlights directly under each other, it's gonna look weird. Like, it's gonna look like you're just dyeing your hair blonde. So you want to make sure that you actually part out that hair and then part another section of highlights underneath that parted out hair. I hope that makes sense. I know y'all seen it in the video, so if you really didn't get it, just, you know, rewind back and rewatch that part. But yeah, that's the most important part of highlights. That's how you get your highlights to be looking pink, you feel me? If your highlights not looking pink, it's because you didn't do that step, and that's on period, sis. But yeah, like I was saying in the beginning of the video before I interrupted myself, I didn't want the highlights to be super bright. So what I did was I used a significantly larger amount of developer cream compared to the powder, because if you dilute the powder with excess cream, then the powder won't be as strong if you just used a little bit of developer cream. I hope that makes sense. So basically, I usually use 2 scoops of developer powder and I use like 3 scoops of the cream. However, I used 4 scoops of cream and 2 scoops of developer powder, which made the concoction really loose. And because it's loose, it won't bleach the hair too much. But if it was thicker, it would definitely bleach the hair to a higher level. But I didn't want that. So that's another good tip for bleaching highlights. Well, that's a good tip for, you know, wanting to put highlights in your hair. If you want it super bright, then you have to use an equal amount of developer cream and bleach powder. So yeah, I hope that helps. I didn't go to hair school or nothing, but most of the stuff that I know is from experience, fails, successes. So you could take my word for it, or you don't have to take my word for it. But baby, that's what I noticed ever since I started highlighting hair. So yeah, that's my tip to y'all. You could take it or you could leave it. Women lie, men lie, but numbers never lie. And my highlights don't lie. Period. So yeah, once the bleach is done processing, you want to check it to see how it looks. And the back highlight was a little dark, but I was tired and I'm like, I'm just about to wash this out because I don't got time to sit here and wait for it to bleach. So yeah, it still came out cute though. But yeah, these are the instructions that you need to follow to successfully wash the bleach out of your hair. But yeah guys, this is how the color came out, and comment down below how y'all feeling, because I really liked how this color came out. As y'all know, it's been about a month since I installed this wig, and I'm just amazed by how the hair took the color super well. Like, it bleached very well, and not only did it bleach well, but it was still soft. Like, the hair did not feel crunchy, it did not feel dry. All I had to do is put some, you know, some heat protectant oil in the hair just so that the hair could be shiny. But y'all, it was still super soft and it was not crunchy at all. So Ishowbeauty hair, y'all doing the damn thing, because I thought this hair was not gonna bleach well, and I also thought this hair was definitely not going to be as soft as it was, but it really stayed true to its original state when it was black, you know. So I'm really happy about that. And there also wasn't any crazy shedding after I bleached the hair, and even throughout the month of me having this hair, the hair rarely shed. So that's also a good thing. And this is a month, y'all. This is not a day or a week. This is a month of me wearing this wig. And then I'm taking my Arnell Sierra flat iron to flat iron my hair, y'all. This flat iron is so popping. Like, I wish I would have got the 2-inch, I believe, but I got the 1-inch. But y'all, I should have got the 2-inch because the 1-inch is bomb. So imagine the 2-inch, and you know the big bulky flat irons be doing a damn thing. So y'all, make sure y'all go cop y'all this sleek flat iron from Arnell Sierra, and I will put her Instagram in the description box below. As you can see, this is the end result. I'm really in love with this color. Like, yes. At first I thought I was gonna look weird, like, I don't know, like a little girl, kind of. I feel like I look like a little girl, but the color gives me like a little pop, you know. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you got this far, make sure you comment underneath the video, like this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notifications so that you're notified when I make a new video. Bye guys, peace, see you in the next one.